5 tips to help beginners get started with keto diet. The keto diet isn't as difficult to start as you would think. Though I suggest doing some preliminary research, here are the basic steps to get started. If you aren't familiar with the keto diet, it is a variation of the traditional low-carb diet. Its main goal is to bring the body into ketosis. Ketosis helps you lose weight by burning fat more quickly. Your body uses sugar and carbohydrates for energy when you eat them. When you eliminate these foods from the diet, your body is forced to use the fat it already has as a source of energy. This allows you to lose weight quickly and comfortably. Here are 5 pointers to help you get started. Number 1. Get familiar with your daily macros. Following a ketogenic diet necessitates strict adherence to your macronutrient intake, especially carbohydrates. If you want to lose weight, you'll need to keep your calorie intake down. Once you've determined your regular energy requirements, you can set macro targets based on them. An example of a keto macro ratio is carbohydrates account for 5% of total calories, protein accounts for 25% of total calories and fat accounts for 70% of total calories. This particular macro range is designed to induce ketosis and trick your body into burning fat instead of sugar for energy. High-fat, low-carb foods such as eggs, poultry, dairy, and low-carb vegetables, as well as sugar-free drinks, should be prioritized. Keep highly processed foods and unhealthy fats to a minimum. Number 2. Begin slowly. Consider starting slowly and progressively reducing your carbohydrate consumption. Start with 1 carb-free meal a day, then 2, and so on until you can go an entire day without eating carbs. It's important to consume a variety of foundation vegetables to ensure that you get all of the vitamins and minerals you need, as well as fiber. Kale, broccoli, spinach, asparagus, mushrooms, and peppers are examples of nutrient-dense, non-starchy vegetables. Another advantage of eating whole foods and gradually reducing net carbs while in ketosis is that it helps you avoid setbacks, hunger pangs, and cravings for processed foods. Number 3. Make a meal plan. Meal prep is when you prepare ahead of time what meals and snacks you'll consume. Depending on your schedule, you can either plan your meals ahead of time and prepare them on the day, or prepare all of the meals ahead of time, freeze them, and reheat them later in the week. Whatever method you choose, meal preparation is an excellent way to ensure that you stick to your diet, particularly on days that you are exhausted. Number 4. Take a look at the big picture. Consider the keto diet as part of a larger lifestyle change. Along with diet, successful weight loss requires increased physical activity, adequate sleep, and stress management. Number 5. Have patience. It's unlikely that you'll enjoy the first few weeks on a ketogenic diet. Patience is important when adopting a ketogenic diet. In only a few days, you'll start to see weight loss results, which is the best reason to stick to the diet. However, the cravings, mood swings, headaches, and other side effects that can arise within the first few weeks of adopting the keto diet can make it difficult for beginners to adjust to the diet. To make the process easier, seek the advice of a dietitian or nutritionist.